One of the main reasons I like to be less dependent on the food system is not for the sake of government collapse or anything like that. It's more so for the sake of me taking ownership of where my food comes from. We are responsible for ourselves, and this is a way in my life I've chosen to take more ownership versus less ownership. I want to know where my food comes from. I want to take pride and satisfaction that I know I can grow my own food, gather my own food through hunting, fishing, gardening, so on and so forth. That's why I prefer to be as self-sufficient as I can with food and less reliant on the food system.